man. It's so cool.
We're here in Tahoe, New Year's Day, trying to find a sledding spot.
It's so cool.
It ain't working out too well so far.
Watch out, son.
Watch how fast I can go down, they say. Watch how fast I can go down, they said.
You wet, Tim?
We are attempting to make a hill.
Hold up. You got the GoPro on?
I do.
Oh, watch this smack cam.
No. Okay, hold on. Let me close my jacket.
Smack cam. I can't.
Vote in the comments. Do you think the hill works?
You say go to the comments?
I said vote.
Hey! Who said it was a bad hill? That was actually kind of nice.
Okay. We're getting
progress,
somewhere.
That looked like it hurt. Yeah!
Here goes nothing. Oh!
You have to hold on.
Dang, I tried.
Who? Going? Oh, I'm going this hill.
You next?
Yeah. I'm scared. Go. I want to jump over there. My name's Tim, and I just wouldn't show my mom.
It actually really hurt.
That was awesome! Oh.
You went too much.
This is called free falling with Timmy.
Okay.
He's gone!
Jared's about to jump off. Jay, do it.
Yeah! Not on your feet. That was really
That was fun.
Alright, I fucking bombed this hill. Alright, do it.
I have lost the boys. They're nowhere to be found. There they are. Sliding down the road.
You don't gotta lie to me.
Ouch, my leg. I have the high ground.
I have the low ground.
Him and Jason have to keep control of the high ground.
Alright.
Me and Brayden have to get on top.
King of the hill.
Yeah, king of the hill. Alright, Jason. Alright, who wants to get the weak?
All right, so right when that last clip ended, major freak out moment. You guys saw we were playing a game. I got tackled in the snow. Snow all over this camera. This is my brand new M50. Say what you want about me having it in the snow in the first place, but obviously I wasn't expecting to fall in it. We're good, obviously, because I'm recording. I lost my pop filters for my Movo mic, which is kind of annoying, but it isn't the end of the world. This lens is all wet. Because I have the dead cats at home. But yeah, you probably won't see much footage from this M50 anymore, because I'm switching over to my GoPro because I do not want to lose this thing. All right, camera's switched out. I'm gonna try and sneak attack them. I'm gonna try and tackle at least one of them. I'm gonna act all unsuspecting because I'm usually not the aggressive one in the friend group. I usually like sitting back and watching what they're gonna do. Jeez, this thing won't close. Come on. All right, I'm gonna try and sneak up on them, assuming they're still over there.
I really stop him.
Ow!
Well, we're gonna do some WWE moves. John, get up here. This is my opponent. I'll go from the top rope.
Don't go.
Oh.
Got him! Got him! Oh!
And this is the fireball!
Oh, jeez.
These are the best ice balls, dude.
Oh! Oh! Day 2, snow's a little bit more packed, a little bit better sledding conditions. We're going up. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Right here! Right here! Right here!
Oh, jeez!
Someone take it!
No way. No way.
Oh, he had it! He had it!
Stop! This is cool. You to tell me what that means. I don't believe in that stuff anymore.